Hello everyone from FERRO EQUIP. Today we show how does the hand-operated accelerator, brake and clutch work. For the brake and accelerator, we have a lever. When pulled up, it will accelerate. And when pushed down, the lever turns to brake. For the clutch, on the gear lever, we have a button. When we press the button, the clutch starts to operate. Clutch paddle goes down, and when released, it comes back to its original position. It has an additional button on it, which is also used for the clutch operation. When we press the button, the clutch starts to operate, and release the button. The clutch comes to its original position. This is how hand-operated accelerator, brake, and clutch works.